What's up, everybody? It's Rodney Ross with Mid-State Welding. Just got called out to fix this skidder here. Just trying to show you what day-to-day may be. As you can tell, it is snowing. So, but that don't always stop us. So we're just, I say me. In the logging country, we got a skidder broke here. She pretty much broke into, not pretty much, it did. So yeah, here to take y'all along. Gotta clean it up. You can tell whoever patched it up last time, they just did a little small piece to where really we need to come back even further. But we're gonna scarf it off and put some new stuff and try to bring it around. And as you can tell, we got a lot of welding to do. It's amazing what you find when you're cutting and scarfing other stuff off. And look what we got there. A bolt. Oh yeah. Well, we got her about halfway. Gonna end up beveling all this and get it welded up good, and then put all the fish plate back on there. Or not back on, but put it on. Alright. Still gotta put another fish plate on this top piece, and then put one on the bottom. Kind of tied up on here. So we'll come out here tomorrow. Jumping on here because it is day 2. Coming out to work on this skidder out here up by Hewlett, Wyoming, and it's a little bit of a drive out here, but oh dang, we got turkeys right in the middle of the road. Would you look at that? Whew. Alright, that was cool. I'm so glad I had this going. I'm just glad I didn't run them over. What was I saying? Oh yeah, going out here to work on this skidder. It broke, and look, obviously most things like that looks like it's been repaired 100 times, 1,000 times or something. But anyways, so it was quite a little bit of a haul. I didn't really get much video on it because that kind of stuff kind of gets a little repetitive, you know, so don't want to bore you. But I do want to say that Mid-State Welding does do service calls, you know, especially for some of these loggers out here that either can't get their equipment to town, or they can't, they're so busy. Because this guy here, he normally does his own stuff, but he was kind of short-handed and had a lot to do, and so he gave me a call, and so I'm grateful for that. But yeah. So service calls are available. And it is nice to kind of get out of the old shop and go do some other welding. Yeah. So, Rodney Ross signing out. Everyone, if you like videos about welding, mobile operations, the Black Hills, anything like that, click subscribe, ring the bell if you want to get notified, and like this video to let me know whether to make more videos like this or what to make next. And if you guys got a suggestion that I can do, let me know. And this video obviously is all about getting these loggers up and running again. Just have another plate put on the outside. Should be good. Just preventative maintenance. All right, that bad boy's back together. We got this inside and the outside welded up. And I forgot to brush that off. I'll do that in a minute. Yeah, well, if anything, she might break right there, but let's hope these, that plate's 1/2 inch, so she should hold pretty good, but you know how this equipment gets put through the ringer, and that's all right. We'll fix it. I just want to say how cool it is to actually see this stuff in play. Never actually been this close, but it's cool to actually see what all goes into it, and to see why you can understand why there's a repair a time or two out here, which is okay. We'll take it.